Hello everyone. If you are a class 10 CBSE student, you already know that tone-based questions can be confusing and tricky. You read a poem or passage and suddenly the question asks, what is the tone of the author? And you're stuck between options like sad, reflective, sarcastic, or hopeful. Don't worry, by the end of this video, you will be able to identify tone quickly and accurately in both poetry and comprehension passages. Now, what is tone? Let's start with the basics. Tone is the writer's attitude towards the subject or the reader. Think of it like this. If the poem or passage was spoken aloud, how would it sound? Happy, angry, thoughtful, funny. Now that feeling is equal to tone. There are 5 steps to identify the tone in poetry and comprehension passages. Step number 1. Focus on keywords. The easiest way to identify tone is by looking at keywords because words carry emotions. For example, the use of dark, lonely, silent shows sad tone. The use of bright, joyful, laughter shows happy tone. The use of must, should, important shows serious or authoritative tone. Now, here is a tip. Underline emotionally strong words while reading. Step number 2. Look at the situation. Ask yourself, what is happening in the poem or passage? Some examples can be, a person remembering the past shows a reflective tone. Someone criticizing society shows a critical tone. Someone describing nature peacefully, it shows calm or serene tone. Context is very important. Don't just read words. Understand the situation. Step number 3. Identify the writer's purpose. Why did the writer write this? If it is to inspire, it is an inspirational tone. If it is to make you laugh, it's a humorous tone. If it is to complain or criticize, it is sarcastic or critical tone. Because tone is equal to emotion plus purpose. Step number 4. Watch for literary devices. This is poetry special. In poetry, tone is often hidden in literary devices. Look for example, if the literary device is imagery, it creates mood and it could be peaceful or gloomy. If the literary device is repetition, it shows emphasis, strong emotions. If the literary devices are metaphor or simile, it reveals deeper emotions. Let's look at an example. If a poet compares life to a journey through storms, the tone may be struggling or serious. Step number 5. Eliminate wrong options. This is just an extra trick, exam trick. In MCQs, don't try to directly guess the right answer. Instead, remove wrong answers. If the passage is serious, eliminate humorous and playful tones. Now choose between the remaining options. This increases accuracy in exams. Here are some important tone words you must know being a CBSE student. First, happy or joyful. Second, sad or melancholic. Third, reflective, when you're thinking deeply. Fourth, critical. Fifth, sarcastic. Sixth, humorous. Seventh, serious. Eighth, hopeful. And ninth, inspirational. Learn these. They are frequently used in exams. Now here is a quick practice example. Let's try one. The leaves fell silently as he walked alone, remembering the days that once brought him joy. Ask yourself. Keywords are silently, alone, remembering. And what's the situation? Thinking about the past. So, how do we identify the tone? It's reflective plus slightly sad. Now, here are some final tips. Don't rush, read carefully, underline emotional words, understand context, use elimination in MCQs, practice regularly. So, next time you see a tone based question, don't panic. Just follow these simple steps and you will get it right. I hope today's video was useful to you. Do subscribe to Learn with Ease and leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video.